Hi, I'm Leti Terrones, a librarian at Cal State L.A. University Library. In this 2-minute tutorial, we'll go over how to check out items from the library, both in person and online, how to request them for pickup, and how to find items on the shelf. First, we'll start with requesting a book online. Once you've searched for your item in our OneSearch library, sign in to your campus account by clicking Sign in the yellow bar above the search results. This way you can request the item for pickup either at the library service desk or in one of our 24/7 lockers. In your search results, look for items that indicate they're available in person at our library. Click the title of the book you want to check out. Then, under the title, click Request the library's copy. Since you're already signed in, you don't need to enter in your name or any other information. Simply choose 24/7 lockers in the pickup location drop box and click Send Request. You'll get an email when your item is ready to pick up at the lockers. Enter the code or just scan the QR and your locker will pop open. Once you get your items and close the locker door, you're all set. The items are checked out to you and the due date will be in your email. You can also pick up your item at the front desk of the university library. The procedure is the same as before. You just need to select Library in the pickup location drop box. You'll get an email when your item is ready to pick up. This time, come to the front desk during our open hours and show the staff your Golden Eagle One card. To find a book in person, take note of the call number listed underneath the title. This book is listed as available in the library on Level 3 North and has the call number PN 1009.A1N655-2005. The call number isn't random. They're unique identifiers in libraries to organize books by subject area using an alphabetical and numerical system. Each book has its own, like a fingerprint, so we know exactly where to shelve them and you know where you can find them. Books are arranged on the shelf in alphabetical order using the first 2 letters of the call number along with the 4 numbers after it. Our book's call number starts with PN, so that's where we'll look. When we find the PN books, we'll go in numerical order using the second part of the call number. Ours is 1009, so we'll browse the shelf looking for the 1000s, then we should be able to find our book. Now that we found our book, we'll take it to the first floor of Library North to check it out at the service desk. You'll need your Golden Eagle One card to check out materials. Then, when you're ready to return your item, you can bring it back here or to any of our drop boxes outside the building. Remember, if you have any questions about checking out items, holds, or returns, we're happy to help. Contact us at library@calstatela.edu. Be sure to check out all the videos in our 2-minute tutorial series on our social media channels and on our website at calstatela.edu/library.